Hey everyone! Have you heard about chia seeds? These tiny seeds are like superheroes for your body. If you eat them every day, amazing things can happen. In this video, we're going to explore all the awesome benefits chia seeds can bring to your life, boosting your energy, making your skin glow, and even helping your heart. So, grab a seat and stick around until the end for a fun surprise. What are chia seeds? Let's start with the basics. What exactly are chia seeds? Chia seeds are tiny black or white seeds that come from a plant called Salvia hispanica. They might look small, but they are packed with nutrients that are super good for you. People have been eating chia seeds for thousands of years, even way back in the time of the ancient Aztecs. They're like little powerhouses full of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and lots of vitamins and minerals. It's amazing how much goodness is packed into something so small. How do chia seeds help your body? Now let's get to the fun part. What happens to your body when you eat chia seeds every day? Number 1. More energy. Do you sometimes feel tired or sluggish? Eating chia seeds can give you a natural energy boost. They are full of protein and healthy fats, which give your body fuel to keep going throughout the day. It's like eating a little energy snack that lasts a long time. Number 2. Stronger muscles. Do you want to grow big and strong? Chia seeds have lots of protein, which helps build and repair muscles. Whether you're playing sports or just running around, eating chia seeds can help your muscles stay strong and healthy. Number 3. Better digestion. Chia seeds are full of fiber, which is great for your tummy. Fiber helps everything move smoothly through your digestive system, so you won't feel bloated or uncomfortable. If you eat chia seeds every day, your stomach will thank you. Number 4. Glowing skin. Want smooth, glowing skin? Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help your skin stay hydrated and soft. If you eat them regularly, you might notice your skin looking brighter and healthier. Number 5. Heart health. Chia seeds can also help keep your heart happy. They're great for lowering cholesterol and reducing the risk of heart disease. Eating them every day helps protect your heart and keeps it beating strong. Please note, if you want to be more healthy and strong, you can watch What Happens If You Take Moringa Tea Daily? The Truth Revealed. In our channel, link in description, and, of course, in the end screen. Let's start again. How to eat chia seeds every day. So, how can you include chia seeds in your daily routine? It's super easy. Number 1. Add them to smoothies. One of the easiest ways to eat chia seeds is by adding them to your smoothie. Just throw in a tablespoon of chia seeds when blending your fruits and veggies. You won't even notice they're there, but your body will definitely feel the difference. Number 2. Mix them into your yogurt or oatmeal. Another great way to eat chia seeds is by mixing them into yogurt or oatmeal. Just sprinkle a spoonful on top, stir it in, and enjoy. They don't have much of a taste, so they'll blend right in. Number 3. Make chia pudding. Ever heard of chia pudding? It's super easy to make. All you need to do is mix 1/4 cup of chia seeds with 1 cup of your favorite milk. Let it sit in the fridge for a few hours or overnight, and you'll have a delicious pudding-like treat. You can add fruits, nuts, or honey on top for extra flavor. Number 4. Add to salads or soups. You can also sprinkle chia seeds on your salad or stir them into your soup for a little extra crunch. It's an easy way to get the benefits without changing the taste of your meal too much. How much should you eat? You might be wondering, how many chia seeds should I eat every day? Well, you don't need a lot to get the benefits. Just about 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is enough. Remember, chia seeds can absorb a lot of water. That's why it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day when you're eating them. They'll help keep you hydrated too. Are you excited to try chia seeds? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.